Here we have my Hero 10. I want to transfer files to my computer. So I plug it in and it says USB connected. And it comes up on my desktop so that I can open up the folder and I can then start transferring the files. However, if you put this into your Media Mod and then use the USB connection on the Media Mod, it won't allow you to transfer the files. It just it charges it, but it won't come up with the USB connected. Let's go through that now. There's our Media Mod. We slide it in. I know there's a low battery. And we put it in like so. On the rear of this, we have our USB connection. And I was expecting that when I plug this USB into there, it should come up with USB connected so that I can transfer files from the card. So the only way with your Media Mod to actually transfer your files to your computer is by disconnecting it from your Media Mod and then plugging it in like I did just before. Let's just power off GoPro. It's charging, and then if we power it back on, see if we get anything there. Nothing. It's charging, but there's no means to be able to draw the files off of the GoPro and put them onto your computer. Anyone else find a way to do it? Add some details in the comments below.